Hi guys, welcome back to a new video in this channel. My name is Abraham Leo. Most of you already know me, but for those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. This is Nexttut's YouTube channel, and we upload a lot of cool stuff. So, first of all, I would like to thank you guys. The Halloween week that we just finished yesterday with the final render for the Invisible Man was a huge success. It seems like a lot of you guys enjoyed the series, both or all of the characters that we did, and then at the end, the final polishing for the Invisible Man. I actually was not expecting the Invisible Man to be like a cool piece. When I had the original like monster lineup, that was probably my least favorite. I was like, it's just bandages. Like, what can you really do with it? But I really like the final render. I think it looks pretty nice, and I think we got a pretty cool result with it. So, thank you. Thank you for also letting us know that that's the kind of content that you like. That makes our jobs a little bit easier, so that we can create things that you guys enjoy. Now, today we launch a new month, and I wanted to start this new month by sharing with you a very quick, overview of the month. So there's not going to be any information today, but this cute calendar here that I just prepared for you guys, and this is going to be just a quick overview of what we're going to be looking at. Today, of course, the beginning of a new month, and we're gonna have five special things throughout the month that I want to make sure that you guys are all aware, so that if you miss any of our videos, you can come back to one of those special dates and get a very nice idea of what we're working with. Tomorrow, it's a very special day here in Mexico. It's called Day of the Dead. It's a special cultural thing where we celebrate and honor all of the loved ones that passed away, and there's a lot of very cool traditions that go with it. So we're gonna have a special Dead of the Day event where I'm gonna be showing you how to make some cool stuff related to the Day of the Dead. Then we're gonna have our usual content every single day. We upload things about tips and tricks, news about the industry, advice for upcoming artists, like everything, right? On Friday and Saturday, on this first week, we're gonna have our portfolio review. So starting today, you can see down here in our description, in the video description, there's gonna be a Google Drive link where you're gonna be able to drop any work that you wanna share with us. And on Friday and Saturday, based on all of the submissions, we're gonna be reviewing the whole thing. Now, if you just want me to give you feedback about a specific piece, video, or whatever, just upload the render, upload the video, and that's gonna be it. If you, however, want me to take a look at topology, light position, form, sculpture, like all of the important things about the softwares, then make sure to drop the Maya or the ZBrush file as well, so that I can open it up in here in my computer and show you, well, my ideas or my feedback. That's going to be, again, Friday and Saturday. We're going to have these submissions open, or actually, wait, I made a mistake here. It's not Friday and Saturday. Sorry. It's going to be Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday. It's also going to be the same thing for over here. Oh, this one right here. There we go. My bad. I thought this was the last day of the week, but it's on the other side. So on Saturday and Sunday, on this first week of November, we're going to have our portfolio reviews. The submissions are going to be open all the way until Thursday, because you guys know I usually record videos one day before they air. So that means that I'm going to be recording the Saturday videos on Friday, and I need to have all of your submissions by Thursday. So today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday, the submissions are going to be open. On Friday, I record the Saturday submissions, and on Sunday, of course, the next one. Now, if we do get a lot of videos, a lot of submissions, last time we got a very healthy amount of submissions, and we were able to do it on 2 separate days with about 20 minutes per video. If we get a lot of submissions, I'll let you guys know, and we'll either have an extra day here on Monday, or we'll have one on the next weekend. We'll see how we manage it, but make sure that, or you're what's the word? I promise, since we have a small audience as of now, I promise that if you submit, your work will be reviewed on camera. Make sure to submit with your name or your alias, however you want to be called, so that we know who you are, and that's it. So that's it for this first weekend. Then the second weekend of November, we're gonna have our main project. You know how we do this big projects where we take several days to complete a very nice asset. I believe the last one that we did last month was the obelisk, where we did this very nice environment piece from beginning to end, from modeling, sculpting, textures, UVs, all the way until the engine implementation. So I've heard your thoughts, guys, and I know that a lot of you are looking forward to some environment pieces. I know I do a lot of character art. Character is really cool, and it's a little bit easier. It catches the eye a little bit more. But we're gonna do an environment piece, okay? So we're gonna do a small environment piece throughout this second week, so that you guys can see some of the techniques that we show in our premium courses as well. And yeah, that's it. After that, we're gonna have just a normal week with whatever topic is important. Remember that you can also submit questions and specific topics that you want me to talk about, and I'll make sure to do some research and give you guys the information. I don't know everything. I'm a specialist in certain parts of the 3D world. I don't know everything, but if you guys have something that's interesting, and it's interesting to me as well, I'm happy to research it and find a way to share it with you. Then, on the 20th and 21st, we're gonna have a second portfolio review. So if during these 2 weeks, you guys have just discovered our channel and want to submit as well, or I gave you some feedback on the first week and you fixed that or updated it and want to submit it again to see if there was like a big improvement, then we're gonna have again open submissions in this week, so that on Saturday and Sunday on this 20 and 21st of November, you're gonna be able to have more feedback from me. Then we're gonna have our mini project. You remember the mini project we did this month was the chainmail coif, which was this very nice technique where I show you how to use transparency in ZBrush, Substance, and Marmoset. So we're gonna do something similar by the end of the month. Then we have Thanksgiving, which is gonna be again special day. We don't usually celebrate Thanksgiving here in Mexico, but I know this is a very special date somewhere else, like in the United States, mainly in the United States, of course. So we'll do something special for that. It's kind of like the one of the most famous dates, I think. Also, if there's any special like date in your country that you want me to do like a little video about, I don't know, if there's something, I know most of you guys are from India, if there's like a very important date in India, let me know. I'll be happy to research, learn about your culture, and do something about it, and you guys will be able to tell me if I'm if that's cool for you or not. But yeah, after that, just normal days all the way until the end of November. This month we also have several surprises. We're still working on more courses. The hard surface techniques course is on the way. I've been working on that one for a couple of weeks now, and I've been hearing your suggestions as well. So make sure to leave down here in the comments as well any suggestions you might have for more courses. If there are specific courses that you want us to do, we're always happy to listen to your suggestions and keep the channel growing, keep the community growing. And last but not least, you know, guys, I usually do a little bit of advertisement. If you like the content so far, if you like, this is the fourth month. We're starting the fourth month where we've been uploading a video every single day. It's a lot of hard work, but we're really happy to do it. And if you guys want to support the project, if you guys want to support Nexttut, of course, then the best way to do it, other than watching the videos, commenting, and sharing, is with our premium courses. So make sure to check down here. We have always the links to our premium courses, and any course that you get is always beneficial. Beneficial? Is that the word? It's always good for us, right? Because it helps us keep on working, keep on growing, and making sure that we can offer you guys the best possible quality. So that's it, guys. Short video today. Thank you very much, and I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye-bye.